Hello folks, welcome back to another video. And I didn't really want to make this video because it was about the MacBook Pro, which I tried to say no to my friend, yet here I am terrified trying to take out this battery from a computer over to another computer, which he has gotten for free from his friend. So I can say no to my best friend, so there you go. So this one has a broken battery, yeah, it doesn't work. It's a bad battery, and he bought this one online, which has 15 hours on the battery. So it's the same model. So yet here I am. So I took my credit card, and then I used something called Label Off. So I sprayed that on the credit card, and then I moved it under here. So I was able to loosen it, and what I'm terrified of is all this power here. There's a lot of power in these batteries, so I don't want to cause a fire. So I also told him that I can't guarantee this job. So, and also I probably need to get some glue as well, because this glue is broken. No, I can't just put it into the new computer and say, here, I fixed it, and then these batteries are dangling around. Yeah, so I have to think about that. Anyway, look at this. Ingrid helped me by the way, I'm following this video for repair. Anyway, I'm gonna stop it. I bought this lamp. It's a magnifier glass. It's quite nice, actually. However, if you use both your eyes at the same time, something you would rather do, right? There's some infringement here, and that messes up the view, but it does help actually. It makes everything larger, as you can see. So that's good, because I'm in the mid-40s and my eyes are deteriorating. So yeah, and I'm 3D printing now, and I had the problems with it, and my colleague at work, he helped me out. I had this clicking noise when this one is moving fast, and I figure out, okay, it's coming from this little screw in there. You can see here. This guy is pulling on the filament, pushing it into the heater block. There you can see it goes. Oh, 3D printers are so fun. I just recently started with this, so it's also really cool to have a friend or a colleague at work, and a friend, and yes, so to be able to help each other. So this is the MK3S Plus. I'm really happy with it. So I have made this, and the reason why I made this is because I was thinking of managing cables under the table. Also, I will print some mounts for this computer to also hang under the table. And yeah, and the other week we got this one on Finn.no, which is a IKEA, which costs insane amounts on IKEA. Now the prices there are they're pricing themselves out of the market, if you ask me. So a little bit of rant there, but we got that for like 40% of the full price, and it looks amazing, even if it's used. So, and then my girlfriend's friends' workplace are moving, so they were saying just every good thing is going to be thrown away. So I was like, yeah, thank you very much. So I picked up this one for free, and this one is even nicer. So, and it fits better as well. I can put my feet under the table there. So, but yeah, so thank you very much. Free stuff is always nice stuff, especially if you want it as well. Yeah, so I really wanted that one. So anyway, we also need an electrician, because we have old power sockets. So I can't power everything in here from that little thing there. We have one over here as well. So, and they falling out of the wall, and they are like from the, I don't know, maybe 1970s or something. So time to replace. And also now there's a rule saying you shall have a grounding. Yes, I think this room is starting to take shape. So I will also have a little shelf here. I've kept some of that IKEA, what shall I say, IKEA stuff, like this large, I don't know what it is. I think it's for the kitchen. It's like for side panels. I don't remember what they call them. It's like here, if you see in the kitchen, you see you have these fillers on the side. Actually, that long plate was supposed to be on this edge here, but we never mounted it. So there's one spare. Anything more? Well, I got a white filament spool for my Christmas, for my birthday, from Ingrid. So I'm really happy about that. From Claes Olsson, of course. So yeah, so I'm really happy with this printer and having fun with it. I made like a something you can put cables in. Just to demonstrate, you can put cables in here and then you can kind of draw it up and use it, put it back. So that's really handy. Oh, the possibilities are endless with this stuff. So yeah, so everything is coming along nicely. This box here, this is actually a plot of my C64 schematic, so which is 1 meter in length or something. So I was thinking maybe having it on this wall. It would be really nice to have it on the wall, maybe with a frame and everything. So. And I still, after renovating this place, I still have a lot of stuff in here. These are actually from a Ford Fairlane. So I posted this on Twitter, and someone said that these marks here have a meaning. I don't remember the exact name of it, but it's for emergency. Like, for example, a nuclear attack or something. Then you just dial in here, and your words goes away. Just kidding, of course. But we also have a tape spool drive and a lot of tapes from my grandfather. So yeah, we'll have to attend to that. This is an old military box. Looks like NATO. So a lot of files in there, I guess. And I also have an 1541-2. Which is the original. Sorry, this is the one I also had when I was a kid, so that's why I've gotten this one. Let me see if I can film it. Yeah, so it looks like that. It's a bit yellow though. So yeah, it's a record player and Makita. This is like a jigsaw thing, or is that called in English? Sticksag in Norwegian. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. So this is a short update. I will just take one thing at a time with this battery replacement job. So I have loosened up these here now and these too. And now we'll continue. So just look, there's like rest of tapes there. So probably need to scrape that off or something. And I need to get one which has the correct thickness. Yeah, so I have some in this drawer, but the thing is, this is from Temu actually. But it's way too big, or thick, so I can't use that. No, I guess I need to get something professional, not just look in my kitchen drawer. That doesn't make sense. Cookies. Before I go, maybe I can ask you something. Maybe you want to see this. I do have Easter vacation. I actually take a couple of days off as well next to that, so I have some time to make videos. So I was thinking maybe I should attend to this. This is a build it kind of project. It's a clock. It's an LED clock. It has I'm not sure what this is actually, so I think it's so it has a lot of LEDs and it has a lot of laser cut acrylics. So what it is it's kind of like a I can't remember, but you know those old display which has a yeah, a glow number that glows, and then every number has its own path in there, so it's kind of like that, just with acrylics. I can't remember that, so please correct me in the comments. So there's a lot of numbers in these acrylic cut plates, so numbers are engraved. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. So I'll just post this now, I guess. Bye bye.